Ever wondered why your coffee suddenly tastes dull? Today I'm revealing the top 5 best coffee machine descalers that revive flavor, protect your machine, and save money. Stay with me, choose smart, and grab the right descaler using the trusted links in the description below. At number 5 is Active Tablet's 24 count. Most people blame bad beans for weak coffee, but mineral scale quietly ruins flavor long before you notice, and that's exactly why Active Tablet's 24 count stand out within the top 5 best coffee machines descaler conversation. Daily brewing slowly clogs internal pathways, weakens pressure, and dulls aroma, leaving many users frustrated and confused about what went wrong. Active Tablets solve this in a refreshingly simple way: drop one in, let it dissolve evenly, and allow the formula to break down scale without harsh odors or sticky residue. They're compatible with espresso machines, drip coffee makers, and single-serve systems, making them ideal for regular maintenance. Compared to others, tablets may take a little longer and aren't meant for extreme buildup, but they offer cleaner handling, accurate dosing, and dependable results. Over time, the reward is smoother brewing, revived taste, and the quiet relief of knowing your machine is being properly cared for. At number 4 is Longhi EcoDecalk. Scale doesn't announce itself, it quietly steals heat, pressure, and that first sip you look forward to. Longhi EcoDecalk enters the top 5 best coffee machines descaler discussion because it tackles that hidden problem fast and gently. Many users reach a point where brewing slows, steam weakens, and coffee tastes flat, even with premium beans. EcoDecalk solves this with a plant-based formula that cuts through mineral buildup without attacking internal parts. Pour it in. Let it circulate. Feel the machine breathe again. The upside is balance, strong descaling power, low odor, and safe use for espresso machines, pod systems, and automatic brewers. Compared to others, though it can feel less convenient to measure and store, still, the payoff is noticeable: smoother flow, stable temperature, and revived flavor. When care feels simple and effective, every cup becomes something you trust again. On number 3 is Impresa Universal Descaling. Most coffee machines don't fail suddenly, they slowly forget how to perform. That quiet decline is exactly why Impresa Universal Descaling earns attention within the top 5 best coffee machines descaler space. Users often notice weaker extraction, strange noises, or inconsistent temperature and assume repairs are coming. In reality, the mineral scale is tightening its grip. Impresa steps in with a universal formula designed to work across espresso machines, single-serve brewers, and drip systems without complicated steps. Mix it once. Run a cycle. Let the buildup release. The advantage here is flexibility, one solution for multiple brands, making it ideal for households with more than one machine. Compared to others, Impresa may take slightly longer to fully flush, but it offers broader compatibility and strong descaling action. The result is smoother flow, steadier pressure, and peace of mind that maintenance is finally under control. When your machine runs freely again, mornings feel effortless instead of uncertain. At number 2 is Joyaone Descaler Tablet. Your coffee machine works harder than most appliances, yet scale punishes it for that loyalty. That hidden wear is why Joyaone Descaler Tablet deserves a spotlight within the top 5 best coffee machines descaler landscape. Many users reach a moment where coffee tastes thin, brewing drags on, and the machine sounds strained. Joyaone answers with precision. One tablet. Clean dissolution. Targeted scale removal without chemical heaviness. It's designed for espresso machines, pod brewers, and automatic systems, making routine care feel manageable instead of technical. The biggest upside is control. Pre-measured tablets eliminate guesswork and mess. Compared to others, though, it may require an extra cycle for severe buildup. Still, the payoff is real: steadier pressure, revived aroma, and a machine that feels supported rather than stressed. When maintenance stops feeling risky, coffee becomes something you enjoy again: calm, reliable, and quietly rewarding. Now moving to the last one is Caffenu 450G. Hard water doesn't ask permission, it slowly rewrites how your coffee tastes. That quiet damage is what brings Caffenu 450G into the top 5 best coffee machines descaler conversation. Many coffee lovers reach a point where extractions feel uneven, heat drifts, and every cup loses its spark. Caffenu addresses this at the source with a powerful powdered formula that dissolves completely and attacks deep mineral deposits. Measure once. Run a cycle. Let the internals reset. The strength here is depth. Caffenu goes further than tablet-based cleaners when scale has been ignored for too long. Compared to others, it requires a bit more care in measuring, but rewards that effort with thorough, professional-level cleaning. The result is smoother flow, restored temperature balance, and a machine that feels capable again. When buildup is finally gone, coffee stops disappointing and starts delivering what you expected all along. Winner, Caffenu 450G. If you want spotless, peak performance coffee every single time, Caffenu 450G is the one to buy. It's powerful, fast-acting, and safe for all machines: espresso, drip, or single serve. Unlike tablets that can be inconsistent, this powder dissolves completely and removes stubborn scales without residue. You'll notice richer flavor, longer machine life, and fewer breakdowns. Trust me for value, reliability, and results. Caffenu stands above the rest. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best coffee machines descaler. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.